push down. Get some food. Let me help you. Ready? Okay, there we go. Hold it with 2 hands. Who needs some food? Oh, Tony needs some. Yay, good job. Should we get some more for Max? We'll get Max a little more too. Ready? I'll help ya. All right. Oh, that's a big spoon. Big cupful. Let's go give it to Max. Over to Max's dish. Okay, get in the bowl. There you go. Yay! You did it! Good job. I think we got enough. A little bit more? You got enough in there? Oh, good job, babe.